everyone, we are doing CloudQuest. This is the solutions architect part, and we are going to do automation with CloudFormation today. So let's read what the problem is. A fine welcome to the Robot Labs. I'm the director of our research division. Thank you for answering our call. To facilitate the development of new robot models, we have provided our robotics scientists with a basic stack of AWS resources. The stacks are currently configured manually. However, this process is fraught with configuration errors and misalleged developed environments, wasting a bunch of our researchers' precious time. Can we minimize these issues in any way? Yes, we can do several things to help. First, we can use AWS CloudFormation to define your infrastructure as code. Because our scientists deploy the same basic stack, we can create a standard CloudFormation template and deploy it. Well, this sounds splendid. Can this solution also help handle network setup? I would like all our VPC security features to be automated if possible. CloudFormation can also automate your network and security environments. Any service that is defined in AWS uses API calls, and AWS and the CloudFormation stack can handle it. This will certainly accelerate our innovations. I will be very grateful if you could show us how to do it. You have an opportunity to provide a great service to humanity. Will you answer the call? Yes, accept the challenge and start practicing. So this is what we are going to do. This part is read a basic YAML stack in AWS CloudFormation, create and deploy a basic CloudFormation stack. And the next part will be the second part, where change the CloudFormation template to launch the EC2 instance type, T to small, create a new stack by using the changed CloudFormation template. So this is how it's going to look like. Let's do that together. Now that we are in AWS console, we are going to go to CloudFormation. We are in create stack with new resources, create template in designer, create template in designer. First we need to go to templates, write robotic stack, go select YAML. So in the first step we are going to take this code that we just downloaded from the resources lab files and then paste it here from the second line. Let's try again and wait until it's refreshed. We need to refresh it from here. Okay, so it's now showing. In here we can also see the JSON format of the same format, same code. Now we need to take that code. We need to copy this link and open it here. Now we are going to go under syntax, instance. There's the instance type here, and default is ML small, required type string, and we need to find T2. What was it? We need to find T2 micro. Let's see if it's in there. T2 micro is here, yes. Now we need the second code. Let's take it from the sample file, and from the line 8 we can paste it. YAML, make sure it's converted to YAML again. Paste it here and refresh. Refresh is just on the top of the right top of the screen, so just making sure it's refreshing. I only see one for now. This is why it's not showing robotic stack. I didn't click OK probably. So let's see, let's refresh again. Let me clear that, and I'm going to type the same information again. Let's refresh, empty that, and take the code. First, this first code, it's here, paste. Okay, refresh, and now the second code, just make sure that it's passed here, and refresh. Robo app security group, robo app security group. Let's take that a little bit back so it starts lining is correct. Let's delete this part. Why is not deleting? I'm going to clean this part and paste it from here. Now refresh again. Okay, so we need to be very careful, don't play around with the spaces, both showing now. Now we need to put security group in between. After 7, I'm going to take security group. Let's copy from this side and edit here. Doesn't copy that way, paste like this. Is supposed to come back, I guess, but let's refresh. Okay, it's working. What else now? Now we need to go and take the S3 bucket. We need to create S3 bucket now on the last part. Okay, let's refresh. Okay, S3 bucket is created. Let's go save. Oh, let me see. Click save your template, local file, robotic stack, and save. Click in here, creating the stack. Template is ready, Amazon S3, URL is here, and click next. I'm not sure if we are going to need that, probably not. Stack name, robotic stack, and next again, and submit. Now it's created. We can review it here and refresh. Now we are going to go to resources, robot app server, and click this one. This is the buckets, lab resources, robotic stack bucket is here. Now I need to change the CloudFormation template to launch EC2 instance type T2 small and create new stack by using the changed CloudFormation template. We are going to create new stack by using the same template, and this is going to be checking 2 validations. Let's go back to CloudFormation templates. Let's create stack. Create template in designer. Under the same stack, let's go and robotic stack update. Edit template in designer. Let's just edit the template. Let me see. Next. Update. Use current template. Replace current template. Edit template in designer. Edit template. View in designer. This will be, what was the instance called? Small. Micro, small. We are going to change to small. Now we are going to change this. Why is showing templates? Template. Why is it in template name? Okay, this will be small. Okay, and refresh. Why is it not showing up? Again, something is not okay. I lost it probably, that's why it wasn't showing. This is small. Okay, now we can save it. Save local file, device tag, save. Okay, and create stack. Let's say use current template. Next. And next, submit. Something notices are to be performed. Previous. I tried to create a new one, so it's not. Why is it? If we cancel back, something is wrong. Okay, let's try again. Update. Edit template in designer. View in designer. It's again showing as template. Let's leave it as it is and just change it to small. And refresh. Let me see where it is. Okay. So how do we save it now? Okay, this was supposed to look like this, and next. Submit. Oh, I did give the same name, I guess. Let me see if it's going to validate. Stack name. Okay, it looks like it's deployed. Okay, I will see you in my next video. Bye.